a passenger should never be able to pinpoint by feel when you just fully release the brake. If the passenger can feel the weight come off the front,
like that,
the tires can feel it, and now you just threw away all that free grip. To the left, smooth release. Give it a little smooth through here next to yeah, like I said, it's slick. Back to that first orange cone. Go ahead. Keep going. Off the throttle. This last time, to that little left there, you went totally rogue from the rest of the time, and you just pop off that brake pedal. You're like, fuck that grip in the front. I don't want it anymore. Okay. So.
Hello.
Hey there.
How you doing?
All right, man. How you doing?
I'm all right. Oh, it's a little tight.
Good. I'm Roger.
Nice to meet you, Roger. I'm Zaman. Oh, too far back.
Comfortable seat there. You see that's all power. Steering column is manually adjustable.
Alrighty. That's cool. Background.
All right. How you feeling over there?
I feel good.
Good?
I think I'm ready.
Cool deal. All right, man. Pull back in that funny little gray shifter there for drive. Find your way up to the green cones at the start line there. When we get to those green cones, just stay put until I tell you to go, so I can make sure there's plenty of room for everybody out there.
Alrighty.
When I do send you out there, remember this is basically just a big game of connect the dots with those orange cones out there, since they mark the ideal line around this little course. So the one trick to that is you want to be looking far ahead all the time, always looking well ahead of the car.
Okay.
So for one example, this orange cone right here in front of us, which is for this long left-hander, you want to be looking for that orange cone when we are way up there by those orange cones.
Okay.
Which means you're going to do just like you are now. You're going to be looking through the side window all the way across there, okay? Same thing way down in that far corner down there, that tight left-hander. You're going to turn your head, look to the inside for that orange cone, try to put it right underneath your driver's side mirror, okay? Just like this first one down here, we're going to come across on the right. You're going to try to put that one where they are right now, right underneath my outside mirror.
Oh, okay.
And keep in mind, all those left-handers are pretty slick. Just be smooth with your inputs. That's the key. All right there, man. Go ahead, on the throttle. Looking down there to the right to that first orange cone. Go ahead. Keep going. Off the throttle. Some brake down here, more brake. Look to the left, smooth release. Give it a little smooth through here next to yeah, like I said, it's slick.
Too much.
Yep. Look up here to the left. Restart here. Get nice and close to this orange cone. Look up here to the right. Nice and close to this cone. There you go. We're going to be going left here. This is really slick too. Early light brake. Long light brakes went slick. Look up here to the right. A little bit of throttle. Stay tight to the right, but look left. Let it roll through here. Just let it roll. After this orange cone, we can start thinking about some throttle. There you go. Some throttle. Some throttle. Be real. There you go. Look to the left. Look to the left. There you go. Add throttle. Throttle. Go. Firm brake. Turn your head. Slow release the brake. Patient with the throttle. Get tight. Look up here to the right. Put the orange cone into my mirror right here. There you go. Light brake to the left. To the left. To the left. There you go. Nice and tight to the right here. Super smooth here. Just let it roll. Just let it roll. Let it roll. Let it roll. After this cone, you can start adding a little throttle. There you go. Light early brake. Light early brake. Smooth release of the brake. Eyes up. Add power. Power. There you go. Firm brake. Turn your head. Slow release the brake. There you go.
All right.
Smooth with inputs. I'll let you go to the left one more time. Real light on the brake here. Eyes up. All the brake all at one time. Create an understeer. Look to the left here. Light tight to the left. Let it roll. After this cone, start adding some throttle. There you go. Again, light early brake. Light early brake. Look to the left. Slow release the brake. Back to throttle. Back to throttle. Back to throttle. There you go. Go.
Oh, that's nice.
Firm brake. Slow release. Back to some throttle. Just very light. There you go. Look up to the green cones or head back to pit lane through those green cones. Nice and slow through those green cones. There you go. So this last time, to that little left there, you went totally rogue from the rest of the time, and you just pop off that brake pedal. You're like, fuck that grip in the front. I don't want it anymore. Okay. So just as like a general rule, an easy thing just to kind of feel, pull up to just past this tank, is a passenger should never be able to pinpoint by feel when you just fully release the brake. If the passenger can feel the weight come off the front,
like that,
the tires can feel it, and now you just threw away all that free grip. You're like, fuck that, I don't want that grip. I don't want to go anywhere.
Oh, I see. So
that's what the slowly
release it keeps the grip on the front.
And same thing when you first go to the throttle, it's very gentle until you really get the steering wheel straight.
Okay.
So, and again, the passenger should never be able to pinpoint when you've transitioned back and forth between either pedal, because if the passenger can feel it, the tires can feel it, and again, you're just throwing away free grip.
Okay.
So yep, that's the main thing there. Yep. So that's why, like, a lot of times when we're talking about a brake coming up to a corner, it's not about getting down to a certain speed. It's about getting load on the front tires when we're starting to ask the front tires to do a lot of work.
So the timing matters.
Oh yeah.
So okay.
Yep,
So
yep. That's why it's a firm brake with the wheel straight, and as you turn, slow release.
okay.
Yep.
So kind of.
Yep. Grab
Oh,
that part.
sorry.
It's all good, man. Yeah.
Thank you.
So again,
Roger.
it's all about being smooth.
Appreciate it.
And the passenger should not be able to pinpoint when those pedal changes are happening. Okay.
More
Cool
smooth.
deal. But it was, you know, pretty good. You know, we went a little
off.
You know, a little too enthusiastic into that left-hander where I said it was slick there, but you did pretty good for fixing that. And your brake releases were, most of them were okay. That one over there was just atrocious though. Like, you know, you saw, like, right as soon as it was, that's why I said pop, because it feels like a pop, and now it's just
too harsh.
Understeer.
Too harsh. Yeah.
Cool deal.
Thanks,
all right,
man. I appreciate
Good
it, Roger.
job. We'll see you again in a little bit.
Sounds good.
Cool deal, man.
Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, thank you.